Boxing Championship here at eFanFest 2011. Tonight, the two contenders will compete for the ultimate honor, that is the CCP CBC belt. Provided by the Dog King of Iceland, Mr. Ragnar August Ellertsson himself. The arrangement is that we start with a chess round for 4 minutes, followed directly by a 3-minute round of boxing. This will go on until victory is achieved by chess or by boxing knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting, weighing in at 13 stone and 7 pounds, wearing wrapped trunks, the former Eastfjords chess champion, holding 2,039 ELO points and no boxing record whatsoever. Sponsored by Gatorade, the man with the brain, please welcome to the ring, fighting out of the red corner, Björn Leftrup Jonsson! His opponent tonight, weighing in at 11 stone and mere 5 pounds, from the ghetto of Keflavik City, fighting out of the blue corner in black trunks and playing white chess pieces, the former Icelandic boxing champion with 12 victories and 2 losses, most of them by the means of knocking out his opponent, brought to you by Bootcamp, the distributor of pain. Please welcome to the ring, Danny Pretty Boy Thordarson!
Walking over to the match, he is a chess master with 2,500 elo points compared to the 0 that Danny has. And I also want to just welcome everybody to this awesome, crazy human experiment. I think the after effects from the Pablo experiments are starting to kick in. Starts. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. Josie, just be careful. I think we should be talking to Danny about that. He's very important to stick in the stay mobile and finish so that's good. How many moves did Danny actually make? Danny made 10 moves? Yeah, something like that. So you can install as much as I think that's the electricity. I'll just ready to open. Sure. Okay. So far so good, using the jab as he's been chosen. Very natural man. And Danny showboats a little bit that might cost him money. I used to be playing. The first few seconds typically is a locomotion and scouting mission. But his quick lateral movement there by Brucey, he looks like he's been listening to his trainer. Danny's not really leveraging those power into punches.
No, not yet.
That's tiny tactic.
Like you said, once it goes normal, and he doesn't. I have no idea what that means though. This is such a awesome type of competition. Never dreamed of this. It's such a prize.
Yeah, I never thought I'd hear tantalized and chess.
And that,
It's not much time left.
I will also.
He's nano fit.
The lateral movement is key. If you keep moving sideways, you can make yourself really good. Move his opponent into a corner where reducing his lateral movement so he can take him up. It's all that. This has been very good. Very good. That's it. It might look a bit concrete, but it's effective. For an inexperienced boxer to be able to do that is effective.
I don't know why you want to do that.
Yeah, I looked into that, but I didn't know. But yes, it would take it.
The first ever CCP Chess Boxing Championship by the means of timeout chess. Ladies and gentlemen, Björn Leftrud Jonsson!